Okay, so for problems 14 through 16, or 14 through 17, I can't really do much without giving you the answer, but this is the image that you need to look at. Now, in class, we discussed that if you have angles, for example, if this is your image, you need to understand that if they share a vertex and they share a ray, so for example, this is the ray, and that ray is shared by 2 and 4, then that's adjacent. So angle 2 is adjacent to angle 4. And angle 3 is adjacent to angle 4. And angle 1 is adjacent to angle 3. But angle 1 and angle 4 are across from each other. And that means that they are vertical angles. So that can't be done. Now, adjacent angles are, so if you have adjacent angles, are not necessarily always linear pairs. They are only linear pairs when they are 180 degrees. So this forms a line, and 1 and 2 added together equal 180. So they would be linear pairs. 2 and 4 form a line right here, so they would be linear pairs, etc. Now, for problems 18 and 19, I'm going to go with 19 because that is not assigned, and I don't want to give you answers to the ones that I assigned. But if you have the complement of A, okay, so for number 19, it says that you need to find the complement of A. Now, look at this. They give you that angle A is 56.4. Now, a complement means that they add up to 90. So you know that the measure of angle A plus its complement, so the measure of angle, let's call that X, is going to equal 90 degrees. And so you know angle A, so you know that 56.4 plus that angle, which you don't know, equals 90. So to solve for that, you need to just subtract 56.4. So you subtract that from both sides, so you end up with 56.4. And then you get 0.6, and then 9 minus, that's 3, and then 8 minus 5 is 3. So your answer would be 33.6 degrees for the complement of angle A.